guys, welcome back to my channel KIRAT Styles and Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing as I make videos related to beauty, styling and a lot more good stuff. So today I am back with wedding series where I'm gonna create different looks for Mehndi, Sangeet, Haldi and bridal of course. So in this video I'm gonna create a Mehndi look where you're gonna see my outfit, my jewelry, the flower jewelry which is by the way made by my husband, and if you want to see that video where he made that jewelry for me, please hop on to our other channel inderandkirat. So I'm wearing my outfit underneath this robe because I don't want to mess it up. So without a further ado, let's start this video. Let's go. So guys, I've already moisturized and prepped my skin. Now I'm gonna start with this Pore Professional primer and prime my face. I'm gonna take a small amount and I'm gonna apply it to my nose, my cheeks and my forehead and a little bit on my chin. Next is foundation obviously, and I'm going to use this Superstay 24 full coverage foundation from Maybelline. I've been using this foundation very often lately and I just love the look this foundation gives you. Very fresh, very minimal. Your face doesn't get cakey when you use this foundation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply dots of the foundation on my face so it'll be easier for me to blend it out. I'm gonna blend my foundation with the help of this foundation brush. And always blend your foundation very well because blending is the key. I'm gonna apply some onto my eyes as well. Now we are done with the foundation. I'm gonna take this concealer which is my favorite, Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and I'm gonna use this concealer to highlight my face. I'm gonna apply some underneath my eyes, some on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, chin and underneath the contour line to give that fake contouring look. Now I'm gonna blend the concealer with the same brush. So underneath our contour line, we're gonna blend the concealer downwards, not upwards. So now it's time to powder our face, and I'm gonna take this Peach Perfect from Too Faced powder and powder my face. So it's very important to set your face because you don't want to worry about your makeup while you're getting your mehndi done. So I'm gonna take this fluffy big brush to apply some powder. Just take some powder and dab it. Just slightly dab it on your face. So now I want to do my eye makeup first and then I'll continue with my face makeup. So I'm taking this beauty sponge and I'm gonna take some powder on it, and I'm going to place some powder underneath my eyes. Basically we are baking our eyes, and if there's any fallout from the eyeshadow, we can just easily dust it off. I'm gonna use the Matte Bar palette from Maybelline, and we're gonna use a pretty pink color here we have on the palette, and the name of this shade is 1915, and I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna take this color and place it on my outer crease, and I'm gonna try to make an outer V with this shade. And now I'm gonna do the same onto the other eye. I'm gonna define the crease more by taking the same color, and I'm only focusing on my crease at the moment. Doing the same on this side, defining my crease with the same shade and blending it well. Now I'm gonna take this angled brush and I'm gonna use this dark shade in this palette, which is named Gridlock, and I'm gonna take this on this brush and I'm gonna apply it as my So I used a brown eyeshadow to create this soft brown eyeliner look, and I am very happy how it turned out. Now I'm gonna take this glitter palette from Australis. It has this 4 beautiful glitter eyeshadows in this, and I haven't used it before, but I want to use it today and let's see how it goes. But you don't want that. You don't want to experiment on your special day, but I want to, because I'm just trying to create something. And I'm taking this glitter onto my finger and I'm gonna place it onto my outer corner of the eye. Let's do it. Not working. So that glitter palette didn't work for me. Now I'm gonna try this W7's glitter eyeliner, mascara eyeliner. Yeah. So now I'm gonna use this and place onto the outer corner of my eye. Yeah. This is working so good. I'm not gonna place onto a whole lid, just the outer corner. Now I'm happy with the glitter. And I'm taking the same brush and taking the same pink shade, and I'm gonna apply some color onto my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna take this tiny brush and I'm gonna take this Morphe and Jacqueline Hill palette, which is called Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm gonna take this gold shade here and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this shade. Taking the same shade and highlighting my inner corners. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm taking my trusty L'Oreal Paris High Contour Brow Artist pencil and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I simply fill in my eyebrows with the pencil, and then I take this Brow Artist Plumper from L'Oreal Paris. It's the tinted eyebrow gel, and I just apply it onto the eyebrows and set my eyebrow. And now I'm gonna apply some lashes. The lashes I'm using are from eBay, so you can use any lashes, and the glue I'm using is from Glam Manicure. You can easily get it from Chemist Warehouse. Okay guys, I've applied my lashes and I've applied some glitter, more glitter as well, and now I'm gonna use this mascara and apply onto my lashes. Now I'm gonna apply this nude eyeliner onto my waterline. This is from Rimmel London. Now we are almost done with our makeup. We are just left with bronzer, blush and lipstick, and we are done. Now I'm gonna apply some bronzer on my face, and I'm using this palette from Sportsgirl Glow with it. It has beautiful colors in it. Look at these. And I'm gonna apply Twinkle as a bronzer today. And I'm taking this fluffy brush and tap the excess and just lightly apply it. Now I'm gonna apply some blush under my cheeks, and I'm using this Milani Luminoso blush and this blush brush. I love this blush. This blush is so beautiful on your skin. It's time to highlight my face, and I'm using this Sleek Makeup highlighter palette. This is my favorite palette. I always use this one, and I mix these two colors together. Apply onto my skin. That's it for the highlighter. And I will contour my nose as well, just slightly. And I'm using this Hoola from Benefit bronzer, and I'm gonna contour my nose with this one. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. Finally, we are done with our makeup. I need to fix my face with this setting spray. This is from Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm gonna spray it onto my face. So guys, for my hair, I'm not going to do much with my hair. I'm just gonna tie it down in a low bun, and for the top part of my hair, I'm just gonna curl some strands, and it will give a nice effect of curly and messy. Like not messy, but the volume will be there and it'll look cute. So I'm just gonna curl the few parts of the top head using this curling wand here, and I'm gonna start by taking few strands. And now I'm gonna grab all my hair just like that, without disturbing the curls, and just loosely make a bun, low bun. Just don't tie it very tight. I've tied my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna wrap all my hair around and make a low bun. So my hair is short. If you want, you can use hair extensions as well, but I don't want to. And now I'm gonna take another rubber band or hair tie, and I'm gonna tie the low bun. Now I'm gonna apply this hair accessory, beautiful hair accessory. This one is from KIRAT Designs. I'm gonna tie it on my low bun. Just look at that. And I've taken some strands out. Okay, now it's time to wear some jewelry, which is made by my husband. Look at this sticker, guys. Look at this, he made it. Yeah, oh my god, look at it, so pretty. Look at this pretty earrings made by him. So pretty. It feels like I have my Mehndi ceremony today. Okay guys, he made this choker as well. Guys, now I'm gonna show you my full look, and I hope you like it. So guys, this is the final look and I just love how this look turned out. It was so easy to create, and please do let me know if you're going to create this look on yourself as well. And guys, if you're wondering from where I got this beautiful outfit, this outfit is made by Preet Sandhu designer. She is located in Mohali, and I will link her Instagram down below in the description box. Please do check it out. So this was the first episode of my wedding series, and I am even more excited to create different looks for other episodes. Please guys, show some love and support to this series, and please don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye!